Student, now this is the last question of the topic maxima and minima. Question number 25. So that semi-vertical angle of the cone of maximum volume and that of given saline height is tan inverse root 2. This is the semi-vertical angle and given is saline height. It is given. And we have to prove that volume is maximum. Student, let this is a cone of vertex B. This is A and B. Slant height is L. Student, let radius is R and height is H. This is the center of the base. Then L equal to root R square plus H square, which is given or constant. Now volume of cone V is 1 upon 3 pi R square into H. So this is the function of R and H. Let us take the L square, which is R square plus H square. From this, R square equal to L square minus H square. Therefore, V equal to 1 upon 3 pi. R square is L square minus H square into H. This is the now function of H. So we can write V equal to 1 upon 3 pi L square H square minus H cube. Now dV over dH, it is 1 upon 3 pi L square into 2H minus 3H square. Since dV over dH equal to 0, therefore L square into 2H equal to 3H square. 1 H is cancelled. L square. Student, there is L square into H minus 3H square. So it is 1 upon 3 pi L square, derivative of H is 1 minus 3H square. Now, so here L square equal to 3H square. Since L square equal to R square plus H square equal to 3H square. From this we will get R square equal to 2H square. And this angle is semi-vertical angle. From this we can find tan alpha. So tan alpha equal to R upon H. From this R upon H equal to root 2. Therefore tan alpha equal to R upon H equal to root 2. Or we can say semi-vertical angle alpha equal to tan inverse root 2. Now we will find second order derivative. d2 b over dh square. It is 1 upon 3 pi. Derivative of L square is 0 minus it is 6h. Here h is positive, this part is negative. So volume is maximum. Volume is maximum when semi-vertical angle alpha equal to tan inverse root 2. So this way your topic maxima and minima is completed, and after that I will start the topic tangent and normal.